So hello, let's prepare this cute DIY Mother's Day card. Take a paper cutting and fold it into half. Apply a generous amount of water inside the paper and spread it thoroughly. On the palette, take few colors of your choice. It can be any color. I am choosing yellow, orange and crimson red. Spread the watercolor on the paper and blend it with other colors of your choice. There is no restrictions on the pattern. You can follow any pattern you like. Meanwhile, our background is drying. We'll prepare few flowers for the card and cut it for the later use. Our paper dried completely. I will cut two straight lines of equal length at the center of the card to create a pop-up. After cutting the paper at the center, we'll push the cut inside and fold the paper and press the card gently to mark the creases so that whenever we open the card, it will have a pop-up like this. Now let's cut our flowers into tiny individuals for our pot, and we will use it later. To give the card an aesthetic look, I am pasting a brown paper on the outer surface of the card. You can choose a different color for the paper based on your choice. I had this brown paper, so I am using it. I usually cut the edges in the round shape because it gives a card a very good finish. After this, I will be pasting a white paper at the front of the card. I'll prepare background following the same procedures as we use for the inside of the card to write Happy Mother's Day at the front. We'll let it dry. Let's prepare the pot for the flowers. We'll cut the pot as a sticker, and I will mark a cut at the center to insert our flowers and stick all these together on the pop-up of the card, and it will look like this. I have written Happy Mother's Day at the front in calligraphy, and with a small message for the mama, I am completing this card. I hope you all like this video, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel.